Welcome to Painless Maths. Today, we will continue to learn multiplication and division with algebraic notation. But we will be also learning how to solve algebraic equations with brackets in this video. If you have not watched the previous video, please watch that video first, as I think it will help you understand the contents of this video better. Okay, let's get started. The first key point here is, if brackets are connected with a term by multiplication or division, use the distributive property or distributive law to remove the brackets. Let's find out what this means. The distributive property is the method of multiplying everything inside brackets by the term outside the brackets and removing the brackets. For example, a brackets b plus c are given, you need to multiply a onto b as well as onto plus c like this, and you get ab plus ac. Let's look at some more examples. If we have 3 brackets 2x plus 5y, use the distributive law to remove the brackets. First, multiply the 3 outside the brackets onto everything inside brackets like this. So, first, 3 times 2x, then you get 6x. Now multiply the 3 onto the plus 5y. Then you get plus 15y. Putting these two together, the answer would be 6x plus 15y. Now, how about the case of division? Well, the same is true for division. First, replace the division sign with the multiplication sign, and then use the distributive law to remove the brackets. For example, if we have brackets 10x plus 15 divided by 5, let's first change the division sign to the multiplication sign. In order to change the division sign to the multiplication sign, we need to flip the number behind the division sign upside down. So the original expression becomes brackets 10x plus 15 times 1/5. And then use the distributive law here. By the way, it's the same if the number outside the brackets comes before or after the brackets. All we need to do is to multiply the number outside the brackets onto everything inside the brackets. So, first multiply 1/5 to 10x, which equals 2x. And now, you multiply 1/5 to 15, and you get plus 3. So the answer is 2x plus 3. Now, let's look at the exercise. If you think that you can answer these questions yourself, feel free to stop this video and try it yourself first. If you are not so sure, then let's continue to look at this together. Question number 1. 2 brackets 2x minus 3. As you can guess, you need to use distributive property to remove the brackets. First, multiply the 2 outside the brackets onto everything inside brackets like this, and remove the brackets. So, 2 times 2x, then you get 4x. Now multiply the 2 onto the minus 3, then you get minus 6. Putting these two together, the answer would be 4x minus 6. Next, question number 2. Minus 3 brackets 3x minus 4. This is same as the previous question. Multiply the minus 3 outside the brackets onto everything inside brackets like this, and remove the brackets. So, minus 3 times 3x. Then you get minus 9x. Now multiply the minus 3 onto the minus 4. Then you get plus 12. Putting these two together, the answer would be minus 9x plus 12. Question number 3. Bracket 6x plus 9 divided by 3. For the division, let's first change the division sign to the multiplication sign. So, just flip the number behind the division sign upside down and change the division sign to the multiplication sign. So the original expression becomes bracket 6x plus 9 times 1/3. And then let's use the distributive law here. So, first multiply 1/3 onto 6x, which is 2x. And now, you multiply 1/3 onto 9, and you get plus 3. So the answer would be 2x plus 3. Question number 4. 2 brackets x minus 6 plus 4 brackets 2x plus 1. This is a slightly longer question, but the essence is the same. First, let's separate the expression by drawing a line like this before the plus sign. Then you can see that it is just two familiar pieces connected by the plus sign. Then, after calculating each of them, add them together to get the answer. How's that? It's easy, isn't it? Let's start with the first one, 2 brackets x minus 6. Again, use the distributive law here. Multiply the 2 outside the brackets with everything inside the brackets like this, and remove the brackets. Then we get 2x minus 12. And now, let's calculate the other one, plus 4 brackets 2x plus 1. First, multiply plus 4 with everything inside the brackets like this, and you get plus 8x plus 4. Finally, adding these two together between like terms, then you get 10x minus 8. Last question. Question number 5. 3x plus 2 over 2 plus x plus 1 over 3. This question is about adding fractions mixed with an algebraic expression. To start with, I would like you to remember the usual addition of fractions. When you add fractions with different denominators, you first need to align the denominators. In other words, you need to put the numbers over a common denominator. Do you remember this? And to align the denominators, we can use the least common multiple, or LCM. So, since the denominator of the first part of expression is 2, and the denominator of the second part is 3, the least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. So, we can align the denominators with 6. Is everything okay so far? Since the first expression had a denominator of 2, making the denominator 6 means that the original denominator was multiplied by 3. So the numerator must also be multiplied by 3. So the numerator of the first equation becomes 3 brackets 3x plus 2. Similarly, for the other expression, the original denominator was 3. So making the denominator 6 means that the denominator was multiplied by 2. So the numerator must also be multiplied by 2. So the numerator becomes 2 brackets x plus 1. And if we calculate each of these numerators like this way by the distributive law, we get 9x plus 6, plus 2x plus 2. Putting this together, we get 11x plus 8 as the numerator, and together with the denominator, the answer would be 11x plus 8 over 6. So, that's it for today. Again, thank you so much for watching. In the next video, we will talk about substitution. Please make sure to watch that video too. Also, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the easiest math tutorials on the planet.